Hi team, this is Jill. I have our infograph ready and I wanted to go over it with you. First off, I want to talk about the colors. As this infogram is about safety, I thought that the standard warning slash hazard colors, yellow and black, would be most effective. I used a sans font because it has cleaner lines and a modern look. This first section here is on the type of accidents. As you can see, I've created an isotype picturing the most common lab accidents. I tried to make sure that the injuries icon stood out, as it's the most common mishap. Next, we have our visualized number. 38 is a significant percentage of the population we're discussing, and I think really brings home the impact of how often lab safety is disregarded. The bar graph that's below that represents the different sectors involved in laboratory studies, obviously not all of them, and how often each of these sectors completes a risk assessment before beginning a new project. And then we have our pie chart showing that only 40% of lab workers use personal protection equipment, or PPE. Since there were only two nice data points, I thought that a pie chart would be effective in showing the differences. And below that, we have a tail and whisker chart showing the percentage of those surveyed who said they used these two specific pieces of PPE. There were two data points for each sector, and I think the lines of the tail and whisker graph show up better than the dots on the scatter graph. Then we have our conclusion down here at the bottom, once again in that hazard yellow and black, and I may need to expound on it a little more, but I think that pretty much covers everything. So thank you for your attention.